Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the saucy chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the saucy chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making pizza hot dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, hot dogs, hot dog rolls, and also pepperoni. The first thing we're going to do is put our hot dogs on to cook. While the hot dogs are cooking, we're going to go ahead and shred our mozzarella cheese. After my hot dogs got done boiling, I just put them into the frying pan so I can get a little crispiness to them. You guys don't have to do this if you don't want to. It only takes a couple minutes. Okay, so now I have my hot dog rolls. I'm going to take my hot dogs, place them in there. Next, we're just going to take our pizza sauce and we're just going to put some over top of our hot dogs. Next, we're going to take some mozzarella cheese and go over top of our sauce. Now we're going to begin to put our pepperoni on top. Guys, you can put as much or as little pepperoni as you want. Then we're going to go back over top with some mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, next you want to get your air fryer. You want to go ahead and place your hot dogs into your air fryer. So now I'm going to put it to air fry. We're going to leave it at 400 degrees and the time is going to be 6 minutes. We just want the cheese to melt all the way. Okay guys, you can see the cheese is nice and melted and the rolls are crispy. Okay guys, so these are our pizza hot dogs. As you can see, the cheese is nice and melted and the buns are nice and toasted. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef.